makes a sari timeless? Is it the drape, the border, or the memories tucked into its folds? In Kerala, there's a sari that arrives with the monsoon, with the banana leaf, the boat race, and the scent of sandalwood. It's called Kasavu. No embroidery, no heavy work, just white and gold. Not underdressed, not overdressed. बस सही तरीके से पहना गया एक सिलसिला. A tradition you don't wear to impress, you wear it to belong. The Kasavu doesn't try too hard. It already is the moment. Onam is not just a festival. It's a memory the land itself remembers. A homecoming, a harvest, a hug from your ma the minute you walk in. Legend says King Mahabali visits Kerala once a year. Not as a king, but as a reminder. प्यार से जीतना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, ताकत से नहीं. So we clean our homes, decorate with Pookalam, and welcome the king of our hearts. Not with gold, but with grace. The Kasavu is Onam's chosen sari for a reason. It's like Onam itself. Simple, sacred, celebratory. The white is for peace. The gold is for prosperity. And when you wear it, it feels like being blessed. Softly. No zardozi, no glitter. Just a whisper of legacy on your skin. ये कपड़ा नहीं, यादों का canvas है. Passed from mothers to daughters. Not in boxes, but in stories. And today the Kasavu has evolved. In blouses, silhouettes, and how Gen Z wears it. But its soul? Always the same. Ask anyone in Kerala, what's the heart of Onam? The answer isn't gold. It's Sadhya. 26 dishes, 1 banana leaf, no cutlery, just hands and heart. Every item is placed with intention. From the salt to the payasam, हर चीज का अपना सम्मान है. And when you sit for Sadhya, you're not just eating. You're participating in centuries of harmony. White saris stained with banana curry. Laughter echoing across the floor. That's Onam. And that's what makes the sari real. Today we don't wear saris every day. But when we do, especially the Kasavu, we remember where we come from. We remember the smell of chandanam, the sound of a conch, the softness of Amma's cotton pallu wiping our forehead. In a world that changes too fast, this sari teaches us to slow down. Not every tradition needs to be replaced. Some need to be reloved. नए अंदाज में, पर वही जज्बात के साथ. This Onam, wear it for yourself. Not because you have to, but because it feels like coming home. Tradition doesn't mean old. It means alive. And what we choose to carry forward becomes timeless. This Onam, be festive, be rooted, be sundar.